Here's a 2018 Fiat 124 Spider. Hold on tight because you're about to be driven wild with sun-kissed Italian charisma. This is one talented performer on the road and inside the cabin. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated sports seats, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, and manual transmission. Automobile Explained, the Fiat in each of its versions share with the other car a reassuring balance of ride and handling with a significant degree of compliance going into a tight corner. Live assertively, drive a Fiat. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.